Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, today as you can see we have another review. This is part 2 of my review for VIPCrossStitch. So let's get started. Now this one here is 40 by 48. It was $10.15, and it is a Joy Sunday. Let me just move this crunchy thing out of the way. Let me get it out of the bag. It does come in the beautiful Joy Sunday bags. The instructions on the back. Let's see if I can get it out without making a mess. Feels huge. It just feels like a really thick bag here. All right. There we go. Whoop. And of course I have it upside down. Isn't that pretty? Now this picture looks very pixelated, so I am hoping that it will not be as pixelated as this. I'm not going to lie. I have no idea if it will or won't be that way, but that is the only picture that they had available. So, very nice. Does come with its own instruction booklet. And on this side it's 175 by 219. Did I say it was a 14 count? I think so. Let's see what we got for stitches and everything. Hang on. It does come separate pages, so there's 5 or 6 pages here. So we have full stitch, French knot, and back stitch. I'm not seeing any other colors anywhere. So we have 45 colors total. We have 44 in full stitch. We have 9 in French knot and 2 in back stitch. So let's look at the colors. We have 310 black, 321 red, we have 600 red, no 823 or 939, we have 3772, not 71, and we have B5200 for the white. I'm not seeing anything else I recognize. That 700 is like a bright green. So, and that's the same color as the symbol. Whatever color the symbol is here is the color basically of the thread. So that helps. But the paper pattern will not match the canvas. This is very nicely done. You can see where all the back stitching is here and there. Very well done. And where the circles are, do you see the circles? Those are where the French knots go, so that a lot of those are going to be going in where the flowers are. So, yeah, I just think these buildings or town scenes or house scenes, some of them are just absolutely gorgeous. And this looks like it's somewhere off the Mediterranean, just by the architecture here. Very nice. But I will be interested to see just how it looks, you know, after you get it stitched, and you may want to put more back stitching in it. So, yeah. Never can tell. Let's take a look at those beautiful threads. I know they're going to be kind of bright and vivid. Now, we do have one of the newer thread cards. Hang on, I'm trying to get everybody separated. It does have the product number. It tells you in red. The red numbers are how many strands of each you have. You also have 2 needles, before I forget. Then you have the DMC number, and then the thread card number. But look at those colors. Bright pink, bright blue, bright yellows, oranges, or kind of a yellow orange, I guess. And there's your B5200 white. Let's take a, I'm just going to separate them. Just going to separate them. Purples, bright greens. There's that 700 I was talking about. Bright pink. kind of a medium to dark coral, kind of an orangish red. Look at the greens though. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Light blues, more greens, tans, kind of a goldish brown. And you have kind of a reddish brown, if you will. There's 321 red. Very pretty indeed. Let's take a look at the canvas. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. All right. It does have both the numbers that were on the front, and it says Seaside Mansion. It tells you 175 by 219 on the side. It does have its own key running around the edges. So here's your back stitch and your French knots, and then going all the way across here and all the way up is your regular cross stitch. This is going to be gorgeous. I just hope it's not pixelated. I don't know, I may start this like in the corner where the flowers are to see if there's definition or not. Sorry, I needed a drink. But very nice. Key it is serged all the way around, if I didn't say that, because, you know. It is Joy Sunday, so I expect it to be serged. They always do, but it's not too big. I can get the whole thing almost in the, you know, in the camera view. So I like that part. Let's see, where did it go? Oh, sitting right there in front of me. I'm telling you, some days. Let's see. And they're pretty good about details, so we'll see how it all plays out, you know. Just not sure. So it's 47.5 centimeters or 18 3/4 inches by, it's almost square. Let's see. A little over 39.5 centimeters or, oh, a little over 15.5. Actual picture size is a little over 12.5 or 32 centimeters by 40 centimeters or 15 3/4 inches. So yeah, this will be interesting to see what it looks like. And I know it's a full coverage 14 count. Yeah. What did I say? Yeah. That went right out the window, that I wasn't going to get another full coverage, but I just love the picture. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. Just gorgeous, and it doesn't, let me hold this up, look too terribly confettied. It's very nice and very clear. You know, very easy to see the symbols and what they are, so that helps. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous! All right, let's take a look at the next one. And this is a 40 by 50, $9.44. And I'll take it out of the package. All right, I am back. Isn't that beautiful? Just absolutely gorgeous. I love the pink flower, the blue butterfly. Does have the product number and how big it is there. But yeah, I just thought it was gorgeous. Now, unfortunately, at this time, it is not available. And I'm glad it's stamped because remember, do you remember this company? Yeah, they sent me this and this, not this particular pattern. And it was counted. I was like, are you kidding me? No. But as you can see, there's stamping on the canvas. So, very nice. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Yeah, so I don't know why they've taken it off or anything. Let me show you. It has 36 colors. We have 154. No, 310 black. Okay. And we have 550 purple. No, 823. We do have 939 that they're going to use for the black. We have 996, which is my favorite turquoise color, and 995. And we have 3865 and 3866 for the whites. But that's very nice that it's all on one page, and it's just straight cross stitch. This would definitely have to be blown up, because I don't even know if I can get that close enough for you to even see it. So, heaven forbid, have your little magnifying glass here handy if you need it. But the paper pattern should match the canvas. It does have, it's like they upgraded the DIY. And you'll see why here in a second. It does have a nice big page on how to start and how to finish, which is pretty standard for most kits. Oh, good, it's on a thread card. Thank goodness. My goodness. Let's give it a shake. Oh, we have an extra hank. I don't know what color that is. Let's find out. Oh, great. It says number 21. Number 21 is 820. Can you see that big 21? Yeah, they didn't go to any great lengths, did they? Beautiful picture. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. And wait till you see these jewel tones. Hang on, we got to give it a shake because everybody's all mooshed together. There we go. But look at the blues, the turquoises. There's that 996 and 995. Pink, bright yellow, bright purple. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Losing my voice today. Look at the pinks and the, I don't know what that color is. It's kind of a coral-ish. This is almost red, where this is coral. And this is red. So, we'll see. Very beautiful colors. Just love all the jewel tones in it. That's probably what attracted me to it. And the different shades of blue. You know how I am about blue. Blue, butterflies, tigers, dragons. What else? Peacocks, peonies, if I could just talk. Now we do have 2 needles right there. And these are quite odd. They're very long, so they're not even the appropriate needle. I hope I can hold them in my hand. And you can actually see. Let me try it in this hand, and that way the light will be there. But look at the tops, and I'll show you. There's the normal needle. Yeah, those are quite odd. Next. Okay, if you're going to mess up, just do it full bore, right? Okay, they should just stop making these kits, because, you know, the colors get me every time. Oh, my goodness, look at the confetti, which you couldn't see on that. Yeah. But can you see it? Yeah, okay. This will take a hot moment. A real hot moment. Nice key, though. It's nice and big. You can see all the symbols. Yeah, I can see all the symbols and how confettied it all is. Oh, my goodness. And this is a very stiff canvas. It's one of like the others, so it'll crunch down after you've used it, and it'll crunch down in your hands, so that's a good thing. So we've got more pros about this kit than cons, but yeah, but it's very well printed. I don't see any smudges, no smears, nothing. Has small margins at the top and the bottom. I mean, the top and the side, and it does have the product number and how big it is here. There's not anything about how many squares per square, so it looks like 90-ish by 147. So, you know, it might turn out. We'll see. The threads are very nice. So, see, there's another plus. We're just finding all kinds of plus things. And I usually don't mind these, but I am spoiled rotten with the brand new ones. Yeah, what can I say? But we'll see. We'll see. Let's see. 49 centimeters, or a little over 19¼ inches by, yeah, if I can get it there, almost 16 inches or 44 centimeters. The actual picture size is 13 a little over 13 1/4, or a little under 34 centimeters by 43 centimeters, or 17 inches. So yeah, and I like the size of it because it's not too big, not too huge, and this, despite being really stiff, it's really lightweight material, so that's a good thing. So we'll just have to see. I may have to start this today. We'll see how brave we are. Very brave. All right, guys, and that is it from VIP. Thank you, VIP, for the beautiful kits this week and last week. Now, VIPCrossStitch, if they have any specials, or if I have any, discount codes, that will be in the beginning of the video, and in the description box below. Now, VIPCrossStitch does have free shipping over $69. If that changes, I'll put that in the description as well. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section, and I think most of these stores are starting to have their own category of all the different companies, like Spring and those two Chinese ones that I can't even begin to pronounce, and Joy Sunday. And they only do needle things. They do not have diamond painting, and they do not have paint by number. They do have tools and crafts for all of that, wide selection on all of it, and they have custom as well. So do check them out. I have ordered from them personally and always had great luck. They come quickly here in the United States. I have no idea about any place else, and how long it takes. Perhaps it's faster over there. I have no idea. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.